Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today here on my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Now if you are a coffee lover, then you are going to love what I'm making today, which is an iced coffee. Now if you like to order those iced coffees when you go to a coffee shop, or you like to buy the pre-made containers of iced coffee in your grocery store, then this recipe is for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and give me a big thumbs up. Let me know that you like this video. I am putting out recipes every single Monday and Thursday, and I don't want you to miss out on any of them, so if you hit that notification bell, you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So this iced coffee is super easy. You just have 3 ingredients. You've got your coffee and your milk, and then a can of sweetened condensed milk. Now you can add different flavors such as vanilla or caramel or chocolate. Just depends on your favorite coffee flavor. So the first thing that I'm going to do is combine my sweetened condensed milk with my coffee. Now I'm using the full fat sweetened condensed milk, but if you wanted to lower the calories and fat, you can find the fat-free sweetened condensed milk. So I'm just going to pour this into a pitcher. Okay, I do not want to waste any of this goodness that's in this can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my coffee into this can here. And then I'm just going to stir around to make sure I get out all this delicious sweetened condensed milk. So now I'm just going to pour this coffee into this pitcher. And then I'm going to stir it to dissolve this sweetened condensed milk. Okay, so as you can see, my pitcher is not big enough. This recipe makes a gallon. So this is what I do. I have this milk jug here that I have washed and rinsed out. So I know this is not fancy. This is just how I do it. I like to keep my iced coffee in the refrigerator in an old milk jug. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place a funnel into my milk jug, and I'm going to pour this coffee mixture into my milk jug. Now this recipe can be modified with the ratio of coffee and milk. Now I typically will use 10 to 12 cups of coffee and about 3 to 4 cups of milk. It just depends on how strong you want your coffee and your iced coffee. You could actually just use straight up coffee and omit the milk altogether, because the sweetened condensed milk will give the creaminess to the coffee. All right, so I'm gonna just add more coffee to my milk jug. I'm gonna pour this one straight from the pot. It's still hot. All right, so when using milk, I'm using a 2%. But again, if you wanted to cut the calories and fat, you can even use skim if you want. Or you wanted to make it really nice and rich and decadent, use a half and half. But I'm using 2%. And I am just going to pour this right in here. My gallon kind of will do all my measurement for me, so I'll kind of know where I'm at by pouring it into this gallon. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some vanilla extract to my coffee. And I'm using a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to put this lid on and make sure it's nice and tight because I'm going to shake this coffee up just to make sure everything is nicely mixed together. But now I'm going to place this in the refrigerator so it can cool completely. So to make a iced coffee, you just simply take your cold coffee mixture and pour it over ice, and then voila, there you go, iced coffee. So delicious. But I want to show you one more thing that you can do using this cold coffee mixture, and that is a frozen coffee drink. I'm going to show you how to make a mocha frappuccino. So I took a ice cube tray and filled it with my coffee mixture. And I prefer to use these coffee ice cubes versus just regular ice cubes because I don't want my coffee to be diluted. So I'm just going to add some ice cubes into a blender. And I'm going to place the rest of my coffee cubes into a Ziploc bag and put them in my freezer. Now just look at this mocha frappuccino. It is as delicious as it is beautiful. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. And then I just topped it with some whipped cream, and then I have a homemade chocolate sauce here, and I'll give you the link to the video in which I show you how to make this. It's actually in my fried ice cream cake video that I have my homemade chocolate sauce recipe in that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes. You've got to try this. That is phenomenal.